Welcome to another vlog. Happy Saturday. So today ay Saturday ha. And lalabas tayo ngayon kasi napakaganda ng araw. So ano na, 3 p.m. na. I'm actually waiting for my friend Gertie, and then we're gonna pick up Tin. It's gonna be like a girls hangout session. First time nila mag-meet. So I'm really excited kasi super click talaga. But anyway, so they're just one of my good friends here in Anchorage. Paikot-ikot na naman tayo mga sis. But anyway, papakita ko sa inyo aking OTD na paulit-ulit lang talaga. Like, hindi ako namimili ng damit recently kasi magsha-shopping lang kami ni Tin kapag malapit na kaming umalis. So, you'll find out soon. But anyway, let me show you how my outfit looks like today. Ito ang ating outfit. Ito yung matagal ko na binili sa Loft. Tapos ito yung binili ko sa Goodwill. Pero ano siya, Target brand, brand new. And then matagal na rin to from Burlington. So ayan, and then I'll just wear my Puma shoes. So I'll show you later. Yeah. Tapos pala, ito, dadaling ko to kasi bibigay ko to na Crystal tsaka kay Ting. Matagal ko na dapat ibinigay. And then, gagamitin ko lang tong bag na to. Ito yung long time bag ko na ginagamit like 3 years na ata. Gorge. Hindi ko alam kung napakita ko na sa inyo to. Nag-sale yung Puma online. So, I got this from the app. Pero, I just wanna quickly share with you kung magkano yung na-discount ko dito. So, isa kami ni Hubby. 60% off siya. So, parang $30 lang each ata. So, yun sa asawa ko. And then, this is mine. Pero, hindi ko muna siya susuotin. Mahilig ako sa shoes, pero talagang ginagamit ko yung mga mga pang harabas, kumbaga, pang everyday at yung mga dirty na shoes ko. Kung dyan lang naman ako. So, basta as long as it's comfortable. But I'm trying to save this up for the trip, our upcoming trip. And then, I'll show you the other pair of shoes that I actually bought from Puma as well. Pero, nasuot ko na siya. Siguro mga twice. So, let me show you. Siya gorge. So, ayan yung shoes na nabili ko rin sa Puma. Very comfy. Pwede na siya sa mga nag-work like nurses. Pero there are different kinds of shoes. Actually, I wasn't really like the type of person who would care kung anong klaseng shoes. Basta rubber shoes, running shoes. Pero ngayon, you really have to take a look at the, kind of shoes na bibilhin nyo. Not because it's cute, not because it's chic, like it's pink or whatnot, bibili na natin. Kasi, importante na comfortable yung shoes na bibilhin natin or ating gagamitin. Especially kapag nag-travel. So, yep, iting susuotin ko today. So, matching naman siya sa aking, suot. But, anyway, pinakita ko lang sa inyo. People here in the US, di naman sila like talaga nag-care. Para napansin ko lang mostly yung mga, alam mo yung sa ating mga Filipino or I don't know if it's Asian culture or Filipino lang, pero para syempre we want to look presentable, and that's understandable, pero at the same time syempre okay na rin yung maging simple tayo. Pero I mean, that's just me, okay? Kasi nung bata ako, like medyo bagits pa yung dalaga ako, parang gusto ko lagi terno. Ngayon pa rin naman, kaya lang more neutral colors ako, pero ngayong summer for sure, magkakasta ako ng mga pastel colors. So, i-update ko yung aking wardrobe konti. Konti lang naman. Kasi, ayoko rin masyadong mag-spend ng money on clothes. But, yeah. So, puntahan si Hubby para siya ay makapag-hi naman sa inyo. Kasi, nag-work siya today, 3 p.m. I mean, hanggang 2 p.m. So, 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. siya. Just so you know. Kaya hindi niyo siya masyado nakikita sa vlog. Which works for us naman. Kasi, syempre, ganun talaga nag-a-adjust ng schedule. And then, you probably know that I usually take the car in the afternoon. So, mag-hi tayo sa kanya. Hubby's playing games sa kanyang, sa aming extra room or spare room. So, ayan. Did you have a good day, Hubby?
Yes.
Yes. Ganyan lang kami. Bahay lang kami talaga. Hi, Hubby.
Hey.
Yes. So, I was telling them that we have different schedules, kaya we don't like shop together anymore. Pero there are times that we do go out together. Kaya lang, yung mga videos, mga pictures, mga clips, hindi ko na pinapakita. Kasi syempre, hindi naman lahat ipakita ko sa social media. But anyway, I'll head out. I'm just waiting for my friend, my beshi, Gertie. Gertie naman, napakahirap ng name mo. Paikot-ikot naman tayo. So, ayan. Tapos hindi na ako nag-on ng ilaw dito sa aming dyan kasi maliwanag naman. So 10 PM pa lulubog ang araw dito sa sa Alaska. So for tonight kasi we're getting more sunlight or daylight now. So I'll catch up with you later. Hi, Gorge! Ito na si Gertie. Ay, mamaya na mag-drive tayo. Kailangan safe tayo lagi.
Hi,
look to the left, look to the right. Ay, si Gertie, napaka-gorgeous niya.
Very.
Yeah.
Very.
Very. Very amazing.
Amazing and very.
Pupunta kami kay
Mainit.
It's okay. It's okay.
Mainit yung hangin.
Okay lang. Ang sarap ng hangin, no? Ang tamis.
Oh my God, ang sarap.
Ay, hindi maalat.
Not bad.
So, we've known each other for a while now.
For one day.
One day naman. Mga more than a year na, no? Yeah.
Very.
So, that's what friends are for.
Yeah.
Keep smiling. Keep shining. Ngungu talaga ako ngayon, girl. But anyway, magsusuward. Nga pala, diretso tayo doon. So, ayun. So, hindi namin si Tin, ang kapatid ni Cristel.
Dito lang yung Ayaw.
So beautiful.
Very. Very.
What can you say about the world today?
The world is beautiful.
Ay, sorry, ang close up masyado. Lalayan natin. Okay, what can you say? Ay, ang ganda ni girl!
It's very beautiful. Very pretty.
Like you!
Like me.
Daming cars, no? Nakawala na naman lahat sa kanilang hawla. Pag winter, wala. Sa na lang yung lahat. Bahay na lang.
Yeah, bahay lang. Ngayon lang. Pag mainit, sunbathing.
Kailangan videohan para ma-practice. Okay, galing yan, ha? Tingnan mo. Look at Alaska. It's so beautiful.
Ay, ang ganda ng bundok! Wow!
Hello.
Ay, ang bata din.
Mag-hello ka naman. Ang ganda, di ba? Sa Diamond Mall na kami.
Ito na yun.
And primer. Primer. Uy, mag-shopping na kayong dalawa. Nagkichismisan pa sila.
Oo, sa gabi ko lang inaan. Sa gabi.
Because ang liit ng mojo.
Mojo? Bonjour. Pabalik-balik tayo dito ha? Gigigil ako sa'yo eh. Parang 4 na beses mo na dito, girl. Pero maganda yan for gifts, yeah? Ay, na pang gift.
Tignan pa ko sa kanya nung simple lang.
Oo, cute. Kasing cute mo. Nahirapan ako maghanap ng mash-up ng kulay. Anong mash-up? Uy, natatawa ako.
May price ba?
Ay, Genie.
Doon tayo sa maliit lang. Nag-ano kami. I'm so happy. Thank you for the flower.
Okay. Okay. OMG, Joanne, run!
Silakan mo ba?
Yaman ni Madam.
Corn dog, horchata, ube, corn dog, gimbap. And ang aming food. Here at H&M. Swimsuits.
Ay, nimbala kayo
Wow. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Sure ka? Kunin ko to. Okay. Hey, Gorge! So, nakauwi na ako. Thank you, Jerty, for dropping me off. Tsaka, it was a nice, quick, well, it's not really quick, mga an hour or 2 kami magkasama. It was a nice, bonding together. So, we did some shopping, pero let me just show you what I got. Pumili kami naparang kami sa Cinnabon. Tapos, 3 yung binigay niya sa akin. Well, akala ko naman kasi isa lang. So, hingi pa ako ng isa. 3 binigay niya sa akin, parang dressing or cream cheese. And then this, Bon Bites for me and hubby. Yan, pasalubong ko sa kanya. So, mag-quick haul lang tayo, okay? Simulan ko na sa Ulta Beauty. So, sa Ulta Beauty, bumili ako ng 2 ganito. So, ito yung Mother's Day gift ko for Mama Mirna, namin ni Dex. Kasi sabi niya, pabango na lang daw bigay namin. Pero yung nasa box, may malit na lotion. So, ayan siya. Tapos, meron siyang kasamang mascara. So, I'm not sure if mom will use mascara or, yeah, I'm not sure. But, who knows, baka gamitin niya naman. Pero, ito yung feeling ko magugustuhan niya yung scent. And then, this one is for my mom. So, this is around $90. I think $90 to. Pero, like 100, total of 120. Ayan, ang sa mami ko. I was supposed to buy something for myself, pero binili ko na lang ay yung mga makeup na kailangan ko, tsaka yung face spray. So, this one is a little cheaper, 70. Pero 3 yung laman niya, and then sa mami ko, $90. So, ayun, bibigay namin. And then, thank you, kasi binigyan ako nung yung magandang, siya, medyo may edad na siya na beauty consultant, pero she's very nice. She was really wonderful. So, ayan, binigyan niya ako ng rose. And then, what I like about Ulta is they always give nice treats, like skincare to try on. So, tatabi ko to kasi baka magamit ko to kapag kami ay nag-travel kasi travel size lang siya. I also have a couple of things here. So, random na lang ha. Meron tayong, let's see. Sa Ulta naka 282 ako. Ginamit ko naman yung rewards ko, so it's fine. I mean, rewards card or yeah, my Ulta Beauty card. I bought this telescopic lift mascara. So, hindi na ako masyado nag-eyelashes na yung naglalagay pa ako in the morning before I go to work. Ano siya, mascara binili ko, tapos buy one, get one 50% off. So, pang stock natin to. Hopefully, tumagal siya hanggang July. If not, bibili lang tayo ulit. And then, of course, Kilay is Life. Ito yung matagal ko nang ginagamit. Share ko na nito sa inyo. What a Brow Pen Waterproof. Wow. So, this really lasts all day. And I always get the shade brown para medyo neutral lang yung color. Not too dark, not too light. And of course, I got myself No Budge Retractable Eyeliner, water resistant ng e.l.f. So, hindi ko siya bet before, pero naghahanap ako ng affordable lang just for everyday use. So, I just decided to grab this one. And then, concealer. Pang everyday ko lang naman to. Ang ginagamit ko ngayon ay yung Ariana Grande. But I've had that for like almost 2 years na. Pero it's not expired. Still good. Pero I would actually use this kasi it's really hydrating. Though they have the hydrating one. But I really like this one. It matches the camo cream that I actually have for my face. Another e.l.f. product na naman. Liquid Putty Primer. And then, Mario Badescu. So, FYI, I've been using Mario Badescu matagal na. And I used to have the aloe vera. Yung pinaka-favorite ko, tsaka rose mist. Pero, ito yung gustong-gusto ko i-try. I think this is one of their new ones. Yung may coconut. And this is the last one that was there. This was the last one that was there. So, I decided to buy it na. And then Gertie purchased rose. And then si Tin ay bumili ng mga skincare. And then, ito yung talagang nire-recommend ko. So, if you're watching this, kung gusto nyo ng hack sa mga under eye area para hindi mag-chap or mag-crack yung mga foundation nyo, this is one of the hacks that I actually use. So this is one of the items, or not item, this is one of the skincare products that I use as base on my under eye area para hindi nagkikakey rather yung aking concealer or foundation. So especially like sa akin ngayon, kailangan ko nito kasi I already have the Aquaphor anti-itch ointment, pero I really want this one. So it's not that cheap, it's not that expensive. I think it's about $15. So if I actually didn't buy the Lancome, I would have only spent probably I would say $60-70, but it's perfectly fine. So ayan tayo. So that's our Ulta Beauty quick haul. And then I got myself just a simple tank top. No, it's not a tank top, pero this is for office kasi lagi ako nagko-coat. So I love neutrals, I love brown. You should know that even if I love pink, when it comes to clothing, gusto ko yung mga neutral colors or mga brown or earthy tones. Lately lang, okay? So recently, I've been loving it a lot, especially kapag sa work kasi mas madali siyang i-combine sa coats na meron ako. So ayan. And this is like $12.99. So from $17.99, $12.99. But the quality is really good. So malamig yung kanyang tela. And then last is sa American Eagle. Ayan, bumili tayo ng $10 worth na sweater. It's really big, it's XL, pero I think this is really nice. If I can't use this like outdoors, I can use this indoors. Pero kahit na spring dito or summer, pwede mo pa rin siyang gamitin kasi mainit. Mainit. Medyo malamig-lamig pa rin. So this is really cute. I was gonna buy yellow, pero sabi ko ito na lang kasi meron akong bag na purple. So it's gonna go well with my white shoes, or even, it doesn't matter, white shoes, flats, slippers. So this is really cute. But yeah, yun lang naman ang ating ganap for today's video. So again, thank you so much kay Gertie, tapos kay Tin. So next naman namin, siguro yung next parang girls bonding namin would be shopping again. Pero I don't know if Gertie's gonna join us, pero Tin and I actually plan to go back to the mall. There's not a lot of things here or dun sa mall na yun, pero we're gonna go to Burlington to buy some stuff that we're gonna use for our trip. So yung trip na yun, hindi ko kasama si Habi. Wala kaming kasama kahit sino. Kami dalawa lang yun. It's something really special. So we're just gonna stay there for like a couple of days. Literally 3 days, but it'll be fun and I'm really excited. And then yung mga travel namin ni Habi won't be until probably end of this year or next year. So we'll try to have a little bit of a like drive siguro dito sa Alaska lang kasi para kami nag-work, so magkaiba yung schedule namin. That's why we can't really like do that much on the weekends, pero we always try to have date nights. And like what I said, hindi ko naman siya lahat like sinushow or something like that. Okay, well, that's it for today's video. Baka mapahaba na to, Gorge. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Mother's Day, and thank you again and again. God bless. See you on my next one. Bye!